You never get a second chance to make a first impression. This age-old adage speaks volumes about the importance of making a good first impression. It means that the first impression you create is often the last one, and it is difficult to change it once it is made. In today's fast-paced world, where competition is fierce and time is limited, making a good first impression is more critical than ever. From job interviews to first dates, making a good first impression is essential for success. People form an opinion about you within the first few seconds of meeting you. This initial impression sets the tone for the rest of the interaction. It determines how people perceive you and how they treat you. In a professional setting, a good first impression can make or break your chances of getting the job. Your appearance, demeanor, communication skills are all critical factors in making a good first impression. If you dress sloppily, speak incoherently, or lack confidence, you will likely leave a negative impression on the interviewer. On the other hand, if you present yourself as confident, knowledgeable, and professional, you are more likely to be remembered positively. Similarly, in social situations, a good first impression can pave the way for long-lasting relationships. When meeting someone new, it is essential to make eye contact, smile, and exude warmth and positivity. People are naturally drawn to those who exude positive energy, and a good first impression can be the foundation of a lasting relationship or a romantic relationship. In addition to personal interactions, first impressions can also influence how people perceive a brand or business. The first impression a customer has of a company is often based on their website or storefront. If the website is poorly designed or the storefront is cluttered, customers are likely to form a negative opinion of the company. On the other hand, if the website is well designed, easy to navigate, and the storefront is clean and inviting, customers are more likely to have a positive impression of the brand. Making a good first impression is not just about looking and acting the part. It is also about being authentic and genuine. People can often sense when someone is trying too hard to impress them, and this can backfire. It is essential to be yourself and let your personality shine through. Authenticity is a powerful tool, and people are more likely to remember you if they feel that you are genuine. Finally, it is important to remember that while first impressions are crucial, they are not the only factor that determines success. People can and do change their opinions of others over time. It is possible to recover from a bad first impression by demonstrating consistency and building trust over time. In conclusion, making a good first impression is essential in today's fast-paced world. It can determine your success in personal and professional settings and can influence how people perceive a brand or business. Remember to dress appropriately, be confident, and exude positivity, and most importantly, be yourself. If you have gained value from this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Godly Women Matters. and remain godly.